Earn $1,300 per month as a student with 4 side hustles. So you want to make money while still in school? Here's how you can do it. I will share 4 side hustles that are perfect for students and can grow into something much bigger in the future. In this video, I will walk you through each side hustles, explain why they work, and how you can earn $1,300 a month as a student. Stay tuned until the end because there's something that fits with your skill. Side hustle idea number 1. Faceless short form content. The social media war is heating up and platforms are desperate for content. Now is the best time to get in. Take Daniel Barton, for example. At just 17 years old, he already made $2 million by creating short form content on Snapchat without ever showing his face. It's hard to believe, but it's true. First, let's do some math on how you can earn $1,300 a month. With the TikTok creativity program, you can earn $1 for every 1,000 views. To achieve the $1,300 a month goal, you need to get 1.3 million views monthly. It may sound hard, but actually not. If you post consistently for a whole month, you have post 30 videos divided by your target monthly view, which is 1.3 million. Therefore, you only need to have an average of 43.3 thousand views per video. Plus, as long as you have engaging content, TikTok algorithm will push your video more. So why can you make so much money doing this? It's all about the social media platform vying for your attention. During the pandemic, TikTok became a massive hit, and since then, Snapchat, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok have been in a fierce competition to grab your attention. They need content creators to keep users engaged, and they are willing to pay big bucks to attract the best one. This is a golden opportunity, but it's fleeting. Once a platform becomes the established, competition will decrease, and so will the payout. If you want to make serious money like Daniel, you need to create original content rather than just recycling other videos. Daniel uses existing video, but add his own voiceover, music, and edit combined with consistent posting to achieve extreme goal. He even expanded with multiple channels and various niches like rapper updates and live streamers. To do this, start by picking a niche that you are passionate about, like travel, tech reviews, health, or life hack. Planning your content around essential themes helps keep your videos consistently and engaging. For now, let's focus on the health niche. Next, write down what you want to say in your videos. Use ChatGPT to make it faster. Create a prompt like, write a 150-word script about ways to lose fat in 30 days. Use simple words that even a student will understand. Keep it simple to the point, and don't forget to add a human touch. For video editing, you can use websites like Pixels or Unsplash to find high quality, warrior free videos and images that match your script. Record a voiceover explaining what's happened in the video. You can use your phone or microphone for this. Free software like Audacity can help you edit your voiceover. You can use editing software like CapCut or InShot, which is user-friendly and perfect for TikTok. Cut out any unnecessary part and make sure your video flows smoothly. Make sure to add music and sound effects to make it more engaging. Lastly, keep your video short and snappy. TikTok videos can be up to 3 minutes, but the most engaging ones are usually under 60 seconds. Use popular music and trending hashtags to reach a wider audience. Time to learn. 4 out of 5. It may seem quick and easy, but creating engaging short clips require understanding human psychology and creating compelling hooks and pays off. Money needed 1 out of 5. All you need is a phone and internet connection. If you are getting insight in this video so far, hit the like and subscribe. Side hustle idea number 2. Investing. Imagine making money while you absolutely do nothing. Investing is the easiest way of all methods to make money. Think of investing like planting a tree. You start with a small seed, nurturing over time, and eventually it grows into a massive fruit-bearing tree. It might take a while, but the rewards are worth it. Take me for instance. I have been investing consistently since 2019 and it's now making around $25,000 a year roughly, $2,000 a month. I did this without financial advice using a simple strategy called dollar cost averaging, where I consistently buy into the market regardlessly of its high or low. This way, the price average out over time. My secret weapon is index fund. Let's say you invest $100 a month for 40 years and get an average return of 12% per year. You end up with $1 million. You might think 12% is unrealistic, but the S&P 500 has averaged 12% annually over the past decade. You don't have to wait 40 years to see results. I make quick money through side hustles and online business, invest around 20% of my earning and multiply it in the stock market. You can do the same by combining side hustle with investing. So to make $1,300 a month, statistically, you will need $130,000 in index fund at 12% annual return. But investing is not about making money fast. It's about consistency of investing every month. So why buy the PS5 or the latest phone if you can earn a lot by investing? Time to learn. 1 out of 5. The basics are simple and there are plenty of resources available to help you get started. Money needed. 1 out of 5. You can start with as little as $1. Just make sure to invest in your side hustle too. Side hustle idea number 3. Online coaching. Do you know that you can turn your skill into cash by coaching others online, or why enjoy the freedom to work from anywhere? Think of online coach like being a personal trainer, but instead of a gym, it's the internet. You are guiding people to reach the goal, whether it's fitness, education, or any other area. Jack Jefferson quit his $70,000 job to pursue online fitness coaching full-time, making $7,000 a month. Now, he has the freedom to work from anywhere and spend more time with his clients. Let's say you are good at certain online games. You teach those game fanatics how to get better play for $100. You only need to teach 13 people every month. That's just the starting of earning. The more people believe in your skill and ability to teach, the higher your rate will be. The beauty of online coaching is its versatility. Whether you are an expert in fitness, cooking, or even video game, there's someone out there willing to pay for your guidance. Personalization is key. Offer tailored advice and support to stand out from the competition. To start online coach, first find your passion or expertise. Are you good at fitness, musical instrument, or expert in certain subjects? Choose something you love and know well. This makes your coaching authentic and engaging. While not always necessary, having a certification can boost your credibility. Look for online course or certification in your field. This helps build trust with potential clients. Next is to create a professional website. Use social media platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube to showcase your expertise. Share valuable content regularly to attract followers and potential clients. Use platforms like Zoom for video coaching section. Tools like Calendly can help with scheduling. Those two make your coaching process smooth and professional. Here comes the most important part. Outline your coaching section. What topic will you cover? How many sections will you offer? Make sure your program is clear and structured. This helps clients know what to expect. Use social media ads, join relevant groups, and network online. You can also offer free webinars or workshops to showcase your coaching skill. This attracts clients who are interested in your expertise. Ask your first client for feedback, as positive testimonial can be powerful in attracting more clients. Share those on your website and social media. Time to learn. 2 out of 5. If you already have a skill, you just need to learn how to package and sell it. Money needed. 1 out of 5. All you need is a laptop and internet connection. Side hustle idea number 5. Discord building. As Discord continues to grow, there is a huge opportunity for those who know how to navigate its complexity. Imagine you are a guy helping explore navigate a new world. Discord is that new world for many people, especially businesses and communities looking a versatile communication hub. Chris Peter, a 19 years old, is on track to make $15,000 a month from building and managing Discord servers. He started by helping famous businesses owners like Mark Tilbury to revamp the Discord Discord server for free. And his impressive work ethic and quick thinking turned him into a highly sought after expert. Business owners usually have a budget between $500 to $2,500 to customize the Discord server according to the need. So to earn $1,300 depends highly on your skill. You can earn $1,300 in just a single client. But as a beginner, taking 4 clients at around $325 can be your baseline. Discord, initially for gamers, has expanded its use to various communities and businesses. As more people and businesses adopt Discord, there's a growing demand for those who can set up and manage servers effectively. Offer value upfront and you soon start earning big. Time to learn 3 out of 5. Basic can be learned in a few hours, but mastering advanced features take longer. Money needed 1 out of 5. You only need a computer to get started. If you want another side hustle idea, maybe for your grand elder, specifically for retirees or old people, then you can check out this video next, somewhere on the screen, whether here or here. But don't click on it just yet. Make sure to subscribe if you want to grow your wealth. Okay? I'll see you over there. Thank you if you stay until at the end. See you. Bye. Peace.